Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to shorten nails with an e-file using an easy method. First, ensure your nails are clean and dry. Choose a suitable e-file bit, like a medium grit barrel or cone, which is ideal for reducing length. Set your e-file to a comfortable speed, typically between 5,000 and 10,000 revolutions per minute, to maintain control and prevent heat buildup. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and effective shortening process. When shortening, hold the e-file bit parallel to the nail, never at a harsh angle. Apply light, consistent pressure, moving the bit in one continuous direction across the free edge. Start from one side of the nail, moving towards the center, and then repeat from the other side. This technique helps create an even edge and prevents gouging. Remember, slow and steady movements are key to achieving a precise and smooth finish without damaging the natural nail. As you shorten, frequently check the nail length to ensure you don't go too short. Once the desired length is achieved, switch to a finer grit e-file bit, such as a fine barrel or sanding band, to smooth and refine the free edge. This step removes any rough edges left by the coarser bit. Gently bevel the underside of the nail to create a clean, crisp finish. This attention to detail ensures a professional and polished look. After shortening and shaping, thoroughly dust off any nail debris and wash your hands to remove all dust. Next, apply a nourishing cuticle oil to hydrate your cuticles and the surrounding skin, promoting healthy nail growth. Finish by moisturizing your hands and nails regularly. This aftercare routine is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of your nails, keeping them strong and beautiful long after your e-file session.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.